students. Today we're going to be trying to find the volume of a cylinder. So remember, cylinders are just two circles connected by a flat plane, looking just like this picture right here. So the nice thing is we just have a simple formula that we have to use, and as you can see, I included it right here. So volume is going to equal pi times r squared times the height. So let's pick this apart. We know that pi is always going to be 3.14 for problems like this. R stands for the radius of the circle. So what we want to do is we're going to come over here to our picture. You can see the circle up top. And remember, radius is just halfway across. So it looks like they gave us the radius here as 6. So what we're going to do is in this spot we're going to put a 6. And we'll have to remember to square it before we continue going. H stands for the height of the cylinder. And so what we want to do is that's going to be the top of the circle to the bottom circle. And so that is 8 for us. So then all you want to do is you need to follow the order of operations. So remember to do this exponent before you get started. So it's really going to be 3.14 times 36 times 8. And you're just going to type that in your calculator and then come on back to the video. When you type that in, you're going to end up getting 904.32. Now this is the weird part. Looking at our units, I can see that we're in yards. So remember that when we're doing volume, you put yards cubed. So it's a little 3 because you want to think of all the little cubes it takes to fill up the cylinder. And that's how you find the volume of a cylinder.